Hey, what's going on, family? This is for my future homeowners and savvy investors. I want to show you how you can house hack and or use your equity in your current home to buy your next 2 units. Come with me because in this video, I'm going to walk you through, me and my sister Ambernique, we're going to walk you through a duplex, a property that you can get for less than $500,000 in the greater Charlotte area. And you can either one, get paid to live in the property. You live on one side, you rent out the other side, short term or long term, and get paid to live in it. Or you can rent out both sides and get your next 2 income producing assets. Come with me, let us show you how to do so in this crazy market. When everybody's sitting on the sidelines, not buying, not moving forward, no. The wise and the savvy, we're diving in, creating our own deals, creating win-win solutions for ourselves. Now, this strategy is a proven formula to build wealth and accumulate income. Stick around and let's talk about real estate investing. My first love when I came into real estate. Let's go.
Good morning. So today we are out at a duplex opportunity out in Kings Mountain, where you're 12 minutes from the casino and about 15 minutes from the winery.
Now each side is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 1,500 square feet. Now the asking price is $480, but
I think they're motivated. They
they're
want to
motivated.
negotiate
We
it.
can play around a little bit. Let's turn the camera around. Let's go inside. Now each unit will look exactly the same. Remember, this is a new construction home, so there will be paint touch-ups and things that need to be taken care of that will be taken care of
Yes.
before the home gets sold. So keep that in mind. So here we are, duplex right in Kings Mountain, and you see where there's a driveway right here on either side. What's the plans?
So the plans, when I spoke to the sellers, they're planning in this lot over here to pave it to add additional parking, because we know that this isn't enough parking space.
All right, which one should we go in first?
Let's go in A.
A. Very modern, sleek look.
And the covered entryway is a really great touch.
I agree. So we go in. Do have a coat closet right here. Come on in, Ambernique.
Yeah.
And then it just opens up to your living room area.
And I love the windows. So it's
Dining
a lot of
area.
windows, a lot of lighting. And this is luxury vinyl plank flooring, and it's very light. So that not only opens up the room, it just makes it feel larger. And in addition, if you point up to the ceiling, you have the recessed lighting throughout. And these are 9-foot ceilings. So I'm tall, taller than Sir is, and I feel very short in here.
No, so one thing, as you mentioned about the windows, the electricity's not on right now, but it is bright in here.
Yes.
It is not dimly lit or anything like that. Just imagine when you have the lights on, how bright it will be in here. And your favorite part?
Yes. My favorite part is I love this covered porch. Just imagine, you occupying one side, you can screen it in. Just a nice chill spot.
And I love it because I'm a low maintenance kind of guy. Obviously clear up the backyard a little bit, but it's not much yard to take care of. So low maintenance, don't have to worry about it. You do have a porch area that you can screen in. Just relax.
And this too has, so if you
sorry.
can point out,
Yep.
you have the lighting here, and it's already wired for a ceiling fan.
So you have the recessed lighting and the ceiling fan. Now that is rare because typically in porches you just have the wiring for the ceiling fan and it has lights, but you already have the recessed lighting as well.
So really great touches.
Yes.
They paid attention to everything, and that's that half bath that you forgot about.
The half bath that I forgot about. And going into the kitchen, now the granite, you see the granite countertops, it is covered right now because we are in a construction zone right now.
So, and even if you're in here, whether it's a single person or somebody coming in with a family, There's enough space in here to move around, have the little ones running through, natural lighting coming in. So I love this. They really paid attention to the small details.
Details. The subway tile backsplash. The modern cabinets. You have backsplash on this side as well. Just how everything ties in. You have the chrome finish on the handles, the chrome accents in, and then just the sink as well.
And then a lot of you may be asking, so stove, dishwasher, things like that, that will be installed. Again, this is in the middle of construction. So how that works, if you see tape on the wall, you don't have to wait to take it off the market once it's completed. No matter, it's going to be done, and you still get an inspection come through, and this is to be inspected. This is the process for all new construction.
This is the norm. We go through new construction homes, I would say almost daily, and to some people that you may not be familiar with the process, this will scare you away because most people only see the finished product. But like anything, it is a process. This is the first full bath. See
And
the
that's
vanity.
a good size bathroom.
Good size bathroom, vanity, tub, shower combo, granite in the vanity. And it carries along the same finishes as the kitchen. Going into bedroom number 1.
So nice size room. You want to get in the closet space. And then also, the reason why we wanted to highlight this opportunity. So this is a duplex, right? You live in one side, rent out the other, where you're essentially paying little to nothing.
Yeah, I think we did the math. It was anywhere from
less than $1,200 a month.
Less than $1,200, about $1,200 or $1,000 a month to own a home and
become an accidental landlord.
I'm gonna say, become an accidental landlord and be able to just increase your portfolio when you buy your first home or your next home. This is bedroom number 2. Now this one is a little smaller than bedroom number 1. It can be a good office or a good space for a smaller child or a nursery. And you still get the high ceilings on this second story as well.
Which isn't always the case because most places will do 9-foot ceilings on the main level on the first floor, but transition to 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, but they carry the 9-foot throughout. So again, that just adds, value and makes the space feel larger.
Most definitely. And we just passed the laundry room. Now, typically in homes this size, you have a laundry closet.
Yep.
You actually have a laundry room where you can fit the washer and dryer and do some folding and stuff in there. That is the primary suite bathroom. Let's go in here and then we will.
Before we go to the bathroom, let's highlight at the top.
Yes.
Again, recessed lighting flows upstairs as well, which is not seen always. And this room is also already pre-wired for a ceiling fan.
Most definitely.
So really good touches. And I love the window in the closet.
We'll get to the closet in 1 second. And again, natural light. We don't have the recessed lightings on, or obviously the ceiling fan's not installed, but look at this room. It is bright in here.
A lot of light. I love it.
Now we're going into the closet.
And if you like me, I never know what I'm going to wear. I always have a dilemma. I need the light in. It just gives me life in the closet. I don't know.
See, you need to get like me. You're going to wear black. You're going to wear black. I have the same shorts, just multiple pair of them, one brand of t-shirts, and just keep it going. Now we are about to go look at Unit B. Again, it's going to be very similar. It's going to be exactly the same, just flipped opposite. Now we did the math. Right now they're asking $480. I'm gonna put Ebony on the spot. 480 was 3.5%.
So 3.5% of 480 is going to be 16,800. And even though we can negotiate the purchase price down, we did the math, so we think that it's going to be better with rates right now toggling around 7% to get we can get up to 6% depending on the loan type and buy down your rate. So that way you're having a cheaper overall payment and it makes your portion less monthly. So you could possibly own this home for less than $1,200 a month.
Most
so that's
definitely.
a really good deal.
Now you say 6%, that's 6% seller concessions, right?
6% seller concession, yes.
So as opposed to lowering the price, we get money to help pay for the closing costs or even buy down the rate, like you mentioned, to lower the payment every single month.
Absolutely. So on $480,000, 6% is $28,800. So lowering the price by $28,000, I think that'll save them somewhere around what, $80 to $120 for quick math, right?
Yep.
But using that same amount to buy down the interest rate will save you hundreds of dollars a month, somewhere around $400 to $500. Would you say?
Yes.
So I think that's going to be the better option, and that's what we always try to explain to our clients is
It's not about
the rate.
It's not about, the biggest thing is a lot of people get hung up with the price, which I get it, price matters. However, when you do the math and we sit down and do it,
Pay the $480, get $29,000 in seller concession. You buy down the rate. Let's say $28,000 can get you from a 7% down to what, a 5, maybe in the fours.
Yeah, I was gonna say low
High
fives.
Yeah. So
If not high
and that's
fours, yeah.
really what's going to impact your payment. So make sure you comment your questions down below. If you're interested in coming out and seeing this property, we want you to comment the word tour. So, we will jump in your DMs, we'll set something up and get you out here to see it. Guys, don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by. We understand that rates are high right now, so this is a way to combat that. You getting 2 properties, 2 homes for the price of one.
Price of one, because in the Charlotte
price of
area, the
one.
median price is right around 400,000, and we're talking this is 480,
This is
and
$480.
you get 2 homes.
You're getting 6 bedrooms, 6 baths. So you live in one side, you rent out the other, and there's multiple things that you can do. So there's no HOA here.
Yep.
With the additional side, you can do long-term rental where you know for sure you have someone locked in for a year, or you can do short-term rental. There's so many options, but either way, it's an amazing opportunity.
And we talked about the plans for them paving the side lot for more parking. So we already thought about that ahead of time. Reach out to us, as Embernique said, comment tour, and we look forward to bringing you this opportunity and others in the future, as well as sharing with you other ways in which we can make or construct more affordable deals. Because great deals in this market aren't found, they're created. So let us help you create those deals.
Yes, and if you like this option to where we're going out and doing live tours, where we're bringing exclusive opportunities to you, I can't get it out, let us know and we'll continue to go out and do this. And we also want you guys to come out and meet us. So we'll start posting, just be on the lookout. If we're going to go to a property to do a pop-up, we'll post them, let's say no later than Wednesday. So just check Wednesday.
But this is the caveat. Join our Empower 50 community because you'll get first access there. They get exclusive content, deals. We notify them first, and then it goes to the general public.
Absolutely.
So find us on Facebook, Empower 50. We look forward to helping you.
Let's get this thing sold. Let's get a first time. I would love to see a first time homeowner in here just to change your life, to change your family's life, and let's build some wealth.
Let's do it.